Hello everyone, today you have joined the DT Creative Elk YouTube channel. How to password protect a PDF file. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we have the PDF file that I wish to password protect during these goes and keep it more secure to go and get started. With this, you need to come into a web browser. I'm just using Chrome and come to a search engine. And what you want to do is go and type in protect PDF like so. The site I like to use is ilovepdf.com. You can go directly there and find the protect PDF tool. Once you are here, tap on select PDF file. You go and get this pop-up and you need to go and find it, select it, and click open. Now what you can do is come over to the right and start typing in a password. If you hover over the bar at bottom, you're going to go and there are some requirements and you can go and meet those, and you can show the password if you wish. And when you're ready, you can come down and tap on protect. You'll be brought here and you can then click on download when I go and double click on it like so. As you can see, a password is required, so I can go and type it in like so, and then I can go and press enter, and that's it.